And here it comes, the Blue Angels in the Delta formation for the downward burst. Oh, the Delta roll. They're all going to turn around and come back and do the break. It's insane. They're coming back. I'll scoot my chair out here a little bit so the tree's not in the way while I'm... Alright, here they come back now. Alrighty, here we go. The Blue Angels. Here we go and break. Wow. And alrighty, now they're going back into the diamond as the solos will break to the right. Yeah, they're right in the sun. I can't fucking see them. They are right there. Everybody's all heading home, which will be here after this is done. Here is the diamond. Alrighty, here they go. Two solos are breaking off from the formation. As the diamond comes around. And they're going to complete the loop and then they're going to break coming down. And they'll go and rejoin the diamond. Alrighty, see you guys here shortly. Wake up! It's time for the downward bomb burst. For all 6 aircraft, when they get to the top of the loop, they will turn their smoke on and get ready to surprise the crowd. Here they come down. Smoke on. The Blue Angels downward bomb burst. Wow. Come back to their cross. Alright, they're turning their smoke on. Here they come from all four ends. And they're going to come back down show center. And they're going to cross over. Here they come down. They're coming. Here it is. He's gonna come right over us here. Here comes the Blue Angel 6-point cross. Wow! Wow! Alrighty, you're getting ready for our grand finale. They're gonna reattach into the Delta to do the Delta break. Give them a few minutes for them to rejoin. It's almost over. Go ahead. That chair folded up. So after they finish up here, we're out of here. Alrighty, they're coming now for our grand finale. You see the Delta formation round over here in the corner, over there by my house, over there at the house. Coming around now. We're gonna end the show on with a bang. The Blue Angels are coming back now, lining up in the Delta formation. Here they come now. Smoke on. Here is your grand finale, the Blue Angels Delta break. Gonna line back up and fly back to NASL Centro. That is it, everybody. That is going to conclude our 60th anniversary special of the Marine Corps Air Station Yuma Airshow. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. You see the Blue Angels still out there in the distance. They're gonna pack it up and we're gonna head for home. There it is, folks. That's going to conclude it. Thank you all so much for watching the 60th anniversary special of the Marine Corps Air Station Yuma Airshow. This is Aaron saying so long, everybody. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next year. For now, this is Arizona Railfan 23 signing out.